You might be wondering what the difference between Outlook on the web or Outlook online and New Outlook is. Let's have a quick chat. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. So, what are the differences? Well, the honest answer is very little. Outlook on the web was a replacement for the old Outlook.com, although it's still available under the same web address. But they redesigned Outlook for the web browser. Classic Outlook has been around for a while. Microsoft decided to, quote, redesign it from the ground up, and they've based it on the new version of Outlook on the web. So today, they look pretty much identical. More and more of the features from one is now in the other. So that's mostly from the web browser through to the new desktop application. However, there are still a few classic differences. So first off, Outlook on the web, of course, is available through a web browser. And that means any web browser on any internet connected device can access your email, whether that's personal or work. New Outlook Desktop means that you have it fully installed on your computer. Generally speaking, that's going to be a desktop or a laptop, so a more robust device. Not really tablets, because that's going to be a version of the on the web applications for the whole of the suite. The other key difference is in terms of how you use it. Of course, the desktop applications allow you to click and drag between sections, mostly. I have two videos on that, which I'll link up above. You can use that exactly like any other desktop application. Outlook on the web, on the other hand, being web-based or web browser-based, has the same limitations as any other browser application. You can click and drag into it, but you can't click and drag out of it. So, what's the difference? Really, very much at all. Couple of just little bits and pieces which are useful for you to be aware of. Liked this tip? Then please remember to give the video a thumbs up. To be told as more videos become available, subscribe and click that notification bell. If you've recently started using the new Outlook desktop application compared to Classic, then you're going to want to sign up and get access to my spreadsheet where I'm recording all of the differences that I'm finding as I go through what's been removed, what doesn't work, and what's been added. This is free. You simply need to sign up. You will be joining my mailing list and you'll get access to the latest version as I update things. The link is displayed below or in the description. Click on the options to expand the description depending on which application you're using.